Hi, my name is Zoe Liebowitz, and today I'm going to be talking about Devito. So Devito is a domain-specific language and compiler used to generate optimized stencil computations for use in large-scale finite difference frameworks. So the DSL is embedded in Python with a very friendly, easy-to-learn symbolic API. The symbolic API means that users can build optimized solvers in just a few lines of symbolic Python. So Devito will automatically generate the optimized low-level code for you, and the generated code can be targeted to many different architectures. Devito operates as an open core model, so we have open source Devito, which supports OpenMP and MPI, and then we also have Devito Pro, which is the enterprise edition of Devito with additional features. So here we have an animation, which is an animation of an explosive source propagating through a 3D elastic medium calculated across multiple Intel architectures.
Happy to hear about the work that Devito is doing and also our partnership with Devito. And also happy to see that we're able to get their code running on Xeon 5 and Xeon 6, and that we're seeing improvements from generation to generation.
One of the main application areas of Devito is in subsurface imaging. So the data sets acquired during these surveys are very large and often correspond to hundreds of terabytes of data. And also processing this data into an image, which can be interpreted by geophysicists, often requires repeated solves of the wave equation. Achieving the necessary throughput, it requires these highly optimized finite difference kernels. In this notebook, we provide an overview of 3D elastic wave propagation implemented in Devito. For that, we just import the required Devito object. We define the physical problem. So what are the physical dimensions of interest? What is the seismic velocity profile of this physical domain? So we define the various material parameters. So we have the P wave velocity, the S wave velocity, and the buoyancy. So here is our initial velocity profile. So here we have the particle velocity PDE and then the stress PDE. So in Devito, we have these function objects to encapsulate the fields that we're solving for. So for the particle velocity, we use a vector time function, and for the stress tensor tau, we use a tensor time function. So here we have the PDE for the particle velocity and the PDE for the stress tensor. Then this is where the magic happens. So we build a Devito operator by passing in our update expressions and the source term. And we run the Devito operator, and this is what we get. So we can see the wavefronts and the reflections of the layers within the subsurface model. So what's really nice is you can inject the automatically generated low-level code. So here you can see all of the code that has been automatically generated for you. There are various performance optimizations that Devito will apply. Also, Devito supports MPI.
So MPI is a basic framework for running programs on more than one computer. And Intel MPI is Intel's implementation of it that we spend a lot of work optimizing.
Devito also supports SYCL code generation. The users just have to specify the language as SYCL, and Devito will automatically generate the SYCL code for you.
So SYCL is Intel's kernel language for writing programs that run on both CPUs and GPUs. So it's good to see Devito running on Intel GPU hardware.